I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to know if creatine is fake. Start by handling a small sample and observing texture, smell, and how it dissolves in water. Use a clear glass and room temperature water to speed up observation and note any residue or colored tint. Keep packets and labels for comparison and avoid powders that leave a gritty film or strong chemical scent when mixed. Use basic home checks to catch fake creatine without expensive gear. Dissolve 1 scoop in 8 Oz water and observe for clumps, sediment, or persistent cloudiness. Smell gently and note any sharp chemical odor that feels off. Try a tiny taste on your tongue. Authentic creatine is mostly neutral or slightly bitter, not sweet. Keep results consistent across batches and compare with a trusted brand sample when possible. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading research, workout plans, and supplement guides on the go, and it makes a nice companion to learning safe supplement habits. Check the video description for the Kindle link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Pay attention to label details and where you buy creatine to reduce risk of fakes. Check for clear manufacturer information, batch codes, and expiration dates, and prefer products that list creepier or third-party testing. Avoid unknown sellers offering deep discounts, and cross-reference reviews or retailer reputation. When in doubt, buy smaller containers first to test a batch before committing to a large supply for training cycles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.